This spacecraft will impact 300 million people a day.
This is GOES-R, the next generation of U.S. weather satellites that is set to revolutionize the way you get your daily forecast. This information coming from this satellite behind me will literally be like going from analog to Ultra HD resolution with one simple flip of a switch. This is what weather satellite imagery used to look like. Grainy black and white images that were hard to read. And this is what it will look like now with the super high resolution imagery from the GOES-R. The first weather satellite, HEROS-1, was small and circular with 2 television cameras that polar orbited the Earth. By the 1970s, NASA began the GOES missions, geostationary satellites that continuously monitor the U.S. instead of circling the Earth. Today's GOES-R satellite will also have an even more advanced sensor that will record images simultaneously in 16 different wavelengths, 11 more than our current GOES satellites.
In 6 months, it will return more data than all the other U.S. geostationary weather satellites have downloaded in the past 40 years.
For several years, it has been like we upgraded our forecast models to high definition, but we're still shooting with standard definition cameras. But now, by starting with a higher resolution image with more detail, the global prediction models meteorologists use will instantly improve.
If there's a severe storm somewhere in the United States, over 1,000 by 1,000 kilometer area, they can take a picture every 30 seconds. And so that means that, as you string those together, you can have almost a, not quite real-time movie of a storm as it's developing.
But it's not just earthly disasters this satellite is protecting us from. The spacecraft also has a solar ultraviolet imager that will monitor what is called space weather, or rather eruptions from the sun that can impact Earth.
Trillions of dollars of our economy is weather related or can be impacted by weather. And the GOES satellite helps to provide warning.